In today's video, I will be teaching you how to cancel IPVanish subscription. So let's just get going with that. Now, let's just say you have IPVanish subscription. So you can see in the pricing section, we have these get essential and get advanced options showing up. Now, let's assume that you subscribe to a subscription, whether it is essential or IPVanish advanced. It's going to be showing up. Let's just say currently it is saying get essential, then it is going to be replacing it with you can say unsubscribe or cancel the subscription. So this is the same exact menu option from where you can cancel your subscription as well, and it is actually quite simple. So make sure to try this in your pricing section on top, and yeah, you can also do it inside your application as well, pretty much same. If you still have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.